Yes, good morning students. Welcome back to the maths class. In the previous class we have discussed what are the formulas for finding the area of minor sector, area of the major sector and the length of the arc, and also area of major segment and area of minor segment. Okay, everything we have discussed in the previous class. Now we are going to solve problems from exercise 12.2 which is based on which is related to the area of sectors and area of the segments of a circle. Okay, so let's see here the first question. Find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters if angle of the sector is 60 degrees. Okay, we know that the area of sector formula, what is the theta by 360? Theta by 360 will come in area of sector and length of the arc also. But while finding the area of sector after theta by 360, area means what is the area of circle? Pi r square. That will be taken. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So by using that formula here we have to find the area of sector. It is given that radius of circle is equal to 6 centimeters. The area of circle and the radius of circle and the radius of sector both are same. Why? Sector is already it is a portion of circle. That's why the radius of circle becomes the radius of sector. So both are not different. Okay, keep in your mind. And the angle at the center, angle of sector is equal to, angle is theta, that is equal to 60 degrees. See, if we draw any circle like this, this is O, this is A, this is B. This is the area of the sector. Radius is given 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. And here angle also given is 60 degrees. Okay. Okay. Now see the area of sector. Area of sector is equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. What is the theta here? 60 degrees by 360 into, here you have to take pi is 22 by 7. In the question itself, in the exercise itself it is given, take pi is equal to 22 by 7 in the textbook. That's why I am taking here 22 by 7 into, what is the r? 6. R square means 6 square means 6 into 6. Now see that 0 become cancel. 6 1 just 6 6. Here this 6 cancel. Now this is 22 by 22 into 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 2 is 12. 132 by 7. Now divide 132 by 7. 7 1 is 7. Okay. It is how much? 6. 62. 7 8 is 56. Next 12 minus 6. 6. Okay. This is point. Take point. 0. 6 8 is 56. This is 4. Okay. 0. Okay. Then 7 5 is 35. Okay. Okay. Up to 2 decimal points it is enough. Therefore 18.85 centimeter squares is the area of the sector. Okay. I hope that you understand. Very easy. Just in the question it is given radius and angle of the sector. Okay. By taking, after substituting this radius and the angle in the formula of area of sector, simply we will get the area of the sector. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22. Circumference of the circle means 2 pi r is given, that equals to 22. From that we will get the radius of the circle clearly. But here observe carefully, here the angle of sector is not given. How can we take the angle of sector? See, for that only they are given, it is a quadrant. What is meant by quadrant? Quadrant means if we divide the circle into 4 equal parts, each part is called the quadrant. For example, see that this is a circle. This is a circle with center O. This is one segment. This is one. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if we divide into 4 equal parts of a circle, then each and every part, each portion of the circle is area of circle is called a quadrant. So here we are dividing the circle into how many parts? 4 equal parts. What are the angle at the center of the circle? This is 360 degrees. Angle of the center of the circle is 360 degrees. Here this 360 degrees also will divide into 4 equal parts. Means 90, 90, 90, 90. 360 divided by 4 how much? 360 divided by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja, 90 degrees. So each angle becomes 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay. So here we have to find the area of the quadrant. Means here quadrant means the angle becomes 90 degrees. There is no need to give it in the question. Okay. If it is quadrant, simply you can take the angle as 90 degrees. Okay, I hope that you understand. So now see that in the question it is given that circumference of the circle, circumference, and this quadrant is also nothing but a sector. Quadrant is also nothing but a sector. What is the difference between sector and quadrant? Means the sector having some angle, we don't know that angle, but in quadrant angle should be 90 degrees. Okay, the circumference of a circle is equal to how much? It is given 22 centimeters. Circumference of circle formula 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeters. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. Then r becomes 22 into 2 by 1 it is. After sending that it will become 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. 22 get cancelled. R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. R we have. But what is the angle of quadrant? Quadrant is equal to theta is equal to, it will be 90 degrees. This R is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Now find the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is equal to area of quadrant also a sector, minor sector. Area also will be a minor sector. Okay. What is the area of minor sector formula? 3 theta by 360 into pi r square. Here what is the theta? 90 degrees by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. What is the r? 7 by 2. R square means you have to write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 0 0 cancel. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja. So this 7 cancel. So this is how much? In denominator we have 11 into 7, that is 77. In numerator 77. In denominator 2 is there. Here 2 is there. Here 2 is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 centimeter squares. Okay. If you change this into decimals also no problem. Otherwise let it be no problem. Okay. Like this we have to find the area of the quadrant. Quadrant, simply you should remember one thing. Quadrant also is a sector, but quadrant means the angle always be 90 degrees. Okay. So these two are the first and second problems from exercise 12.2. Now let us see the third question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Length of the minute hand. Okay, find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, see, this is completely related to wall clock problems. So how the clock will be? It is in the shape of circle. It is in the shape of circle. So in this circle, okay, in this circle, so minute hand means, for example, so this will be the minute hand. So in a clock we have a minute hand and 1 hour hand and that seconds hand. So here 1 minute hand, for example, it will be minute hand. It will be the radius of the circle and it is given the length of the minute hand, that will be 14 centimeters. Okay, so we have to find the area swept by the minute hand. We have to find the area covered by this minute hand in the 5 minutes. 5 minutes means here 5 minutes is there. Okay, like this will be there, no? Like this will be there. Like this wall clock will be there. So after traveling from here to here, this minute hand after traveling from here to here, it will be also the 14 centimeters. So it means this minute after reaching here, this minute hand after reaching here, this minute hand covered this much space. Okay, it is swept this much space. So this is nothing but a sector, minor sector. Okay, we have to find this area. This is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. It will be 5 minutes, no? From here to here it will be 5 minutes. Okay, so here we need the angle to find this area. This area will be the area of sector. So to find this area we need this angle. Already radius is there. How can we get this angle? See, if 1 minute hand after rotating one complete revolution, so how much angle it will cover? 360 degrees it will cover. It means one revolution means it will complete the 60 minutes. After rotating from here to here to here, how many minutes it will take? 60 minutes it will take. From 60 minutes, in 60 minutes, how much angle it will cover? At the center, 360 degrees will cover. But in 5 minutes, how much angle it will cover? That will be the angle of the sector. Okay, so see that the radius of circle is equal to length of the minute hand. Okay, that will be, what is the length of the minute hand? 14 centimeters. But here in one revolution, otherwise in 60 minutes the minute hand makes 360 degrees. How much? 360 degrees. But in 5 minutes, it will make theta. It will make angle theta, that equals to, how we will get? From 360 degrees in one revolution, it will take 60 minutes. Okay, to cover the 360 degrees, it will take how much time? 60 minutes. For 5 minutes means from this 5. So 0, 0 cancel. 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 6 5 ja 30 degrees. 6 5 ja 30 degrees. So in 5 minutes, it will cover how much minutes? 30 minutes. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. For each and every 5 minutes, it will take how much angle? It will cover how much angle? Theta, 30 degrees it will cover. So theta becomes 30 degrees. Like this, whenever they given the time in minutes, we have to convert these minutes into the angle. How can we cover means 360 by 60. Why we are taking 360 by 60? To cover the to complete the 360 degrees in one revolution. One revolution means 60 degrees. That's why we are taking 360 degrees by 60 minutes into. If it is given 5 minutes means into 5, sometimes 10 minutes, 15 minutes like that given, then that time you have to take whatever time is given in the question. Okay, so this is the reason. Now it is very easy to find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes, so that the area of the sector. So the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. That is equal to, that will be the area of sector, area of minor sector, that is equal to area of minor sector formula theta by 360 into degrees into pi r square. Okay, that equal to theta is 30 degrees by 360 degrees into pi means 22 by 7. Radius is the length of the minute hand, becomes length of the minute hand. That is 14 into 14. 0, 0, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 11 ja. Okay, now cancellation is impossible. See, in denominator what? 1 into 11 into 14 by, in denominator 3 only is there. Okay, so that is equal to 14 11 ja, 14 11 ja, 14 1 14 14. That is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter squares, or take 154 divided by 3. 3 5 are 15, 0 4. Okay, 3 1 ja 3, 1.0, 3 3 ja 9. So 51.3 centimeter squares. 51.3 centimeter squares area will swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes with the length of 40 centimeters. Understand? I hope that you understand. This problem is very important. Okay, you have to practice this formula, these problems, these 3 problems in the after watching the video, and send in your WhatsApp group all the solutions of these 3 questions. Okay, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.